If you like the idea of making money online, you probably have considered using PayPal as a way of getting paid. PayPal is one of the most commonly used methods of payment for online work because it is fast and secure. You might be surprised with all the easy ways you can make money with PayPal. Some involve small tasks. Others are truly passive income methods. All are ways you can make money fairly easily. See if any of these options to make money with PayPal might be right for you. 1. Take cash surveys. If you have a few minutes to spare during the day and like to share your opinion with others, you can get paid when you complete online surveys. There are many different survey websites to choose from, but not all of them allow you to get paid by PayPal. After all, not everybody wants to work exclusively for Amazon gift cards. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is one of the most reputable survey companies that allows you to earn cash rewards. They have a Trustpilot rating of 4.3 out of 5 and will send daily survey invites. Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is another popular survey company that has paid out over $19.5 million so far. Once you have earned 500 points, you can redeem that for $5 cash via PayPal. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a site where you can earn money several different ways and offers a $10 sign-up bonus. You can make money by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, making online purchases, and even surfing the web. They allow you to cash out when your account reaches $5. These survey sites are free to join, and you have the opportunity to earn rewards every week. Both of these apps are available on Google Play Store or the Apple App Store as well. 2. Freelance Writing. You can get paid to write blog posts, ebooks, white papers, and B2B or B2C copywriting with PayPal, while you can also use freelancer platforms like Fiverr. These boards can keep up to 20% of your income, which means less money in your pocket. And not every client hires on these boards. The best part about freelance writing is that you don't need an English or writing background to get started. While these credentials do help, people from all over who have a gift for writing, even if they have never been paid to write, get paid every day to write about their areas of expertise. 3. Graphic Design. It is also possible to make money with PayPal when you have an eye for design. Whether you want to design custom t-shirts and clothing, or design websites, graphics, or logos for local businesses, you can get paid instantly with PayPal. You can join a platform like CafePress with an established audience and client base to create your own store. Or you can also create your own website to showcase your portfolio and land clients as well. Even if you create your own site, you can still use PayPal as your preferred method of payment. 4. Affiliate Marketing. If you have a website or blog, you have the perfect platform to make money from affiliate marketing. You earn a small commission each time a visitor completes a purchase after they click the referral link on your site for products that you enjoy and recommend. For example, you can write a post about your favorite laptop and include an affiliate link for that laptop. If readers buy that laptop, you earn a few dollars from every sale. Each affiliate program works differently. Some merchants operate the program themselves, and you can get links directly from their websites. Other merchants partner with affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Gumroad, Shopify. Whether you are just getting started with affiliate marketing or already have some experience, you might consider taking a course to learn more about how to earn even more money. 5. Sell products on your own website. In addition to receiving affiliate income by recommending products that you use and love, you can also sell your own. Whether it is an ebook, artwork, customized graphics, or drop shipping fidget spinners, you can earn an even larger profit margin by selling your products online. If you have done any amount of shopping online, you have probably seen the Pay with PayPal payment option at the checkout screen. You can add these own buttons to your website with PayPal, or use an online shopping cart like Shopify that will automatically deliver your digital products and dropship physical goods you keep in a distribution warehouse. If you don't already own a website, you can create your own website in 10 minutes with Bluehost for as little as $2.95 per month. It is worth saying that you will not start earning money right away until you start getting visitors to your site. With patience and persistence, it is possible to make a part-time and, in some cases, full-time living from your website. 6. Save money on groceries. How would you like to save money on groceries and get money via PayPal at the same time? Enter Ibotta, which is a free app that you can download onto your smartphone. Before you go shopping, simply open the app and choose the store or stores you're going to shop at. Then, browse through the available offers for that store. Ibotta has offers for hundreds of different products, and the offers change regularly. Add the offers you find on the items you want to buy to your Ibotta account, and then shop as you normally do. When you're done shopping, just scan your receipt or receipt's barcode into your phone. Ibotta will credit your Ibotta account for the money you saved from offers. Then you transfer that money to PayPal when you meet the minimum $20 transfer threshold. Ibotta works at nearly 300 stores, including Walmart, Target, Sam's Club, Costco, Publix, Albertsons, Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy, and more. Bonus: you can often earn extra cash for actions such as signing up and referring friends. Ibotta helps you save money on groceries without having to clip or print out coupons. 7. Sell old electronics. If you have a drawer full of old cell phones or a closet crammed with your last 3 computers, you might be able to earn some extra cash by recycling your old electronics. You can get paid with PayPal when you sell your old phones, tablets, laptops, or video game consoles to a site like Declutter. Both of these sites will pay you more for newer devices. For example, you will receive more for an iPhone X than an iPhone 7. Also, it is worth noting that shipping is free and that you will be paid within 1 or 2 days of receiving the shipment.